So I've come up with a few names for the upcoming winter storm hitting the South. Here are some options. What do you think? The first one we have Ice-mageddon, the Great Slippening, the Sweet Tea Freeze. That one might be my favorite. Snowpocalypse South. Or maybe Bridge-mageddon. That's specifically for Mississippi because that's our main issue with these winter storms is the bridges, the ice. It doesn't snow that much in Mississippi, but what really messes with us is the ice. We don't have snow equipment or ice equipment down here. What are we naming our winter storm, guys?